So if you're looking to get organic clicks, Google search clicks daily, and you want to grow your website fast, and if you're a news articles writer or any other niche, so this is the fastest way to do it. The number one thing is you need to go to the Google Trends. I'm going to show you step by step. And what you need to do is find any of the niche. If you're writing for niche articles, you can find here, but you can also go to the Explore and search your keyword, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm going to go to the trending now and see the categories. You can also select the categories. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the sports category. So I have selected the Z sports here, and here you can see we have some kind of we have to look for the graph which has spiked recently. So you can see this is a recent one spiked, and this one spiked, and this one spiked, but it got down, and you can see right here. So this is currently it's spiked and it's growing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this and go to the Journalist AI. So this is a pretty good tool, and they have 4 options. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select AI news article and put the query right here, and I simply click on search stories. Now what it does is it is a magic, guys. You can search, put up any keyword, and it's gonna go to entire web, read the web, and pull up the stories, the recent trending stories. Now you can see second test, and if I go to Google Trends, you can see at the top we have second test. Now you can see the potential of the tool, right? So you can add as many stories as you want. Now if I click on add, the one story added, and if I go here and add this, and you can see 2 stories added, and I can simply add article. Now what I mean by 2 stories added is nothing but adding keywords, right? Blog titles. Now you can see it has taken me to the next page, which is for me to asking generate article. Now I can simply click on generate article, and that's it. It does the job, and it produces the entire article along with images, key takeaways, every single thing under a minute. So now you can see it has produced the entire article. Now you can go here and read, but I'm going to show you another feature. So here the interesting thing is it is even adding the sources and internal links, external links, and it has given a meta description. By the way, if you don't know how to write meta description, and you can directly post to integration, if it is a Shopify, Blogger, WordPress, doesn't matter where it is, the Journalist AI has everything integration. Okay, support to integration. Now if I go to the edit with AI, it's going to open up Journalist AI SEO editor. Now here, if I let's say if I don't like this the starting paragraph, now what I can do is I can select everything, and I can click on rewrite and make it longer or make it shorter. Now within a second it's gonna give us a longer paragraph, and we can directly replace it. We can also add keywords. Now if I select some kind of till the paragraph right here, and it is asking me to select keywords. Okay, now I can simply click on paste and hit enter, and it's gonna embed the keyword inside this paragraph. Now you can see it has prompted. Now I can simply accept, and that's it. Now you can also select the tags, and you can directly post integration. Doesn't matter, okay, where it is, Shopify, Blogger, even Blogger. Okay, so that's a good thing, guys. So it has a lot of options. So let me know what you want to know, and there'll be a link in the description to directly take you to this tool. You can use it for completely free, and after some articles it's going to charge you, but yeah, you can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description, and you can also use RJ10 for additional discount. So with that being said, catch you on the next one, and comment below, like this video, comment below what you want to watch next and what tutorials you want.